Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation Hobby Shop. Another unboxing, another testing, another review. Shout out kay Sir Nick of Cebu. So this is the Super Sport 702 revolver, airsoft revolver by Wingun. This is made in Taiwan. Airsoft revolver. So bali CO2 powered siya. Airsoft revolver. Ang bala niya is plastic BBs, no? Plastic BBs. But you can also use steel ball. So this is 5.95 millimeter, which is mas malaki compared to 4.5, of course. Ito yung bala ng Umarex airgun. Umarex, KWC. Yan. And this one, ito yung bala ng Wingun. 5.95 millimeter. So mas malaki po siya. Okay. Pwede siyang steel ball. Pwede rin siyang plastic ball. Ayan. Okay. So, CO2 powered. Yung haba ng barrel is 6 inches. Meron siya safety. Release. And shell. 6 shots. So, dito po nilalagay yung bala. Yung pinaka steel ball. Okay. Lagyan natin ng steel ball. So mga gusto pong mag-avail nito, may libre po itong steel ball. At saka meron na rin pong libreng plastic ball. At saka CO2. Ayan. Ayan, steel ball. 6 shots. Unfortunately, hindi natin matitest, sir, sa chronograph kasi nagloko yung ating chronograph tester. Okay. So, CO2. Single and double action. Ayan. Yung sight niya sa front, fix. Yung sight niya sa rear, adjustable po yan. Elevation and windage. Ayan. Wingun. Full metal po. Full metal. So, tingnan natin yung mga kasama pa sa unit. Okay, so it comes with owner's manual, of course, and 2 railings, tactical railing. Dalawa po yan, dalawang railings. And another 100 shots na plastic ball. And meron siyang, for a limited time, meron siyang kasamang 300 shots. Steel ball, 300 shots. This is steel ball. Okay, at saka syempre yung speed loader, pa-allen. Itong allen niyo sa ano to, sa saan nga ba ginagamit yung allen na yan? Doon sa ano, dito sa rail. Optical rail. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng ano red dot optic, mini scope, pwede. Dalawa yung kasamang rail. Okay. So load tayo ng CO2. CO2 comes with 5 pieces of CO2. So bali 6 pieces kasi yung isa, yung pang-testing natin, then 5 pieces. Yung free. Okay. Lagyan na natin siya ng silicone oil. Pwede siya dito. Pwede rin siya dun sa may ilalim. Dito po. Okay. Load. Kailangan po mabilis ang pihit para hindi po sumingaw. Okay? Tamang higpit lang. Okay? So, testing. Kailangan siyang bala. Testingin lang natin. Yun o. It's very accurate kasi mas mahaba yung barrel compared to 708. Okay, load pala natin yung shell. Okay. Testing, Sir Nick of Cebu. Thank you for choosing 5th generation Hobby Shop. Okay, testing. 3 rounds for single action, then 3 rounds for double action. Obviously, basag talaga dito yung bote kasi steel ball siya. Okay? Firing! Oh. Laglag lahat. In one shot. Tinamaan yung gitna. Kaya nalaglag. Okay, and double action. Okay, so 6 rounds. Ayan. Okay. So again, all goods na po, Sir Nick. Again, this is the 702 Airsoft Revolver by Wingun CO2 powered. Thank you.